You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Asian stock markets showed strong growth on Thursday. Investors have received a new impetus for optimism thanks to reports of possible financial support to major Chinese banks. According to Bloomberg News, Chinese authorities are discussing the possibility of injecting $142 billion to help leading credit institutions. The news comes just 2 days after the Chinese government announced a series of measures aimed at overcoming deflation. These steps demonstrate that the Chinese authorities are aware of the need for urgent action, as the 5% economic growth target for this year seems increasingly less realistic. Against the background of this news, the MSCI index covering stocks in the Asia-Pacific region, with the exception of Japan, reached its highest level in the last 2 years. This set a positive mood for European markets, where futures also showed growth in morning Asian trading. The dollar remained steady after the most significant increase since the beginning of June. Traders are waiting for speeches by key representatives of the U.S. Federal Reserve System to understand the pace at which interest rates will decrease in the future. Overnight, the U.S. currency recovered markedly after falling to a more than 1-year low against the euro and an almost 2.5-year low against the sterling, although there were no obvious reasons for such a recovery. Later on Thursday, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell will deliver a recorded message at a conference in New York. The head of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, John Williams, and other representatives of the Fed, Susan Collins, Michelle Bowman and Lisa Cook, are also scheduled to speak. Data on initial jobless claims in the United States will also be important, as the Fed shifts its focus from inflation to the labor market. Despite expectations of a second significant 50 basis point rate cut at the upcoming Fed meeting in November, the probability of this event decreased from 58.2% to 57.4%, according to CME Group. And now to the crypto market. Democratic presidential candidate Kamala Harris made another statement about digital assets during her speech at the Economic Club of Pittsburgh on September 25. Harris expressed her desire for the United States to continue to maintain leadership in areas such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and other advanced technologies. Harris has not previously made public statements regarding cryptocurrencies, unlike her Republican rival Donald Trump, who actively supports the crypto industry. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.